At Greater Anglia, it's our goal for all our passengers to be able to travel our network with confidence. Our new trains, which have replaced older models on Intercity routes between Norwich and London and Stansted Airport services, have been designed in consultation with disabled passengers, ensuring gold standard accessibility features. The blue rectangle on the outside of the carriage will direct you to the accessible areas. Our new bi-mode and intercity trains have low floors for level boarding between the train and the platform, and our bespoke automatic retractable step bridges the gap between train and platform. Wide automatic doors allow easy access for wheelchairs and buggies. Upon entering the carriage, on one side you'll immediately see the spacious accessible toilet. And on the other side, our large accessible area with room for friends and family to sit and space to easily manoeuvre your wheelchair. If you need urgent assistance, the call for aid buttons in the wheelchair space and accessible toilet will connect you to the driver.
This is the Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street.
There's clear signage inside the train for those who are deaf or hard of hearing. Priority seating is available in every carriage, and high contrast grab rails have been installed throughout to aid mobility inside the train. Everybody at Greater Anglia is working to improve journeys for people with accessibility needs.